So we're going to launch our question bank. And yes, we're in here now. So this is the NCLEX VT question bank. I love it. It tells you a lot of information right off the bat. So you can see that we have over 1,200 questions in the question bank. And the subjects and the lessons are very robust. There's a lot of information inside of this question bank. When you get in here, you got to take your time going through these questions because they're all helping you to reinforce your virtual trainer content. So you get the virtual trainer first, and then you do the questions in the VT question bank. That's how this works. And so this bar is going to tell you how well you're doing in each category. Med surg, not so well. I'm only getting about 15%, of the questions correctly. I know you guys are going to want to get higher than that. So it's all for practice, but this is the beginning interface. So why don't we just go ahead and create an exam? When you create your customized exam, you have the ability to do it in a tutor mode where you're able to get the answers right away, or you can choose to take off the tutor mode and go through the exam like you would your regular NCLEX presentation. You can also choose to have the timer on or off. I like to have the timer on because for you, it will help you to build your endurance. That's one of the reasons why you're purchasing a question bank. You want to build test stamina on the day of the exam. So this is going to help you to do that. You can also customize the subjects that you want to study. Oh, how amazing is this, right? In our question bank, we have clinical math, we have fundamentals, we have cultural competence. We included all subjects in here that were relevant to the test plan. You don't have to pay for something extra. It's here, right? And you can also choose your lessons. So it breaks it down even to specifics so that you study exactly what you intend to study. Now, we're just building out a practice exam. And again, you have however many days you need, 30, 60, or 90, and you can choose however many questions you want to do a day. This is for your comfort, all right? Preparing for NCLEX is a very personalized, individual process. You have to take the exam. Nobody can take it for you, so study the way you want to study. So we're going to create an exam, and we're just going to do 7 questions. Because what I want to show you is that, one of the most important things about a question bank is that the questions reflect appropriate content for your test plan. And look here, it is in the format of the actual NCLEX exam. So this helps to melt away that anxiety. Yes, because if you have never taken NCLEX, this is what it looks like. And if you have taken NCLEX, then you know this is what it looks like. And so having you to be able to see it before the test day helps you to feel more confident that yes, you can do this. All right. So as you can see, with the tutor mode on, when we submit a question, with the tutor mode on, when we submit a question, you're going to get the feedback right away. With the tutor mode not on, you're going to go through the exam like you would your NCLEX exam, and then you're going to get that rationales on the back end. So we're going to do that. And I'm just going through, when you're going through NCLEX questions, you want to make note of the time. You want to make sure that you're reading for the appropriate answer. And I'll say the questions in this question bank are challenging. They're meant to challenge you. They're meant to have you prove that, yes, you have been studying. You have been studying. And so if you're taking the pharmacology questions, or if you're taking the math questions or the critical care, it is going to be a healthy challenge. It's going to be a healthy challenge. So we're going to end our exam here. and you will come up to the previous test page. And here is where you have all these actions that allow you to review rationales if you don't have it in a tutor mode. And the question bank will reflect how many you got right, how many you got wrong, all right? And let's just say we want to read the rationales. We just hit review test. I mean, it is a tool to help you learn. And so you're going to be able to read the rationales there. You're also going to be able to see the references that we use to create the exams for you. So if you want to look at the reference, you can do it. There is no mystery here. It all works together again for your good. We want you to pass NCLEX. This is your year to do it. This is your question bank to do it. Create your own exams. Get started in the Remar question bank. You have the VT. Now is the time to do the questions. And remember, the last 2 weeks of your exam, the last 2 weeks up to your exam, I should say, you should be doing questions daily. You should be daily doing questions. And so now you have the opportunity to do them in the NCLEX VT question bank. I'm so excited. You can, you will, and you must pass NCLEX.